Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. So this is the special bonus reading for you. Messages for 2020 year ending and the upcoming messages for you in 2021. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So what are the messages for you? Aries. Messages for Aries. Hold your vision. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah. So the message, hold your vision and your commitment is being tested. I think you are concentrating, you are working hard towards your goal. Just hold your vision because this time your commitment is being tested. Okay. So you have to consistent towards your goals. You have to concentrate on your goals because this is the very important time for you. And what you are seeing in your dreams, what you are seeing in your vision, what you want to be like. Okay, hold that vision and be consistent in your work because your commitment in relationship also, your commitment is being tested. Definitely your person may be having trust issues towards you. That's why your commitment is being tested. I think if you are having any trust issues problem, please discuss with them and clear out. Yeah, you hold your vision and your commitment is being tested. Those are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. Yeah, but consistent, be consistent. Okay, what you are doing now towards your goals and career. So let's see from tarot your present, past, outcome, and challenges, everything. First, we will see your present, Aries. Wow, Ten of Pentacles, your challenge, Queen of Swords, past, Knight of Pentacles, recent past, Queen of Wands, outcome, potential out, Four of Swords, and path to the future. Wow, Ace of Swords. From no communication to communication. What a transition. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Under the deck, Five of Wands. Definitely there are some disturbances between you and your person right now. You are a hard time to express your feelings. Yeah, the present moment is Ten of Pentacles. I think you want stability in your connection and you are financially abundant. You have financial stability. I think I am seeing some relationship wise stability issues here. And your challenge is Queen of Swords. I think you're a very good person and honest person. You don't want to hurt anyone through your words. Yeah, but you have to express your feelings, okay? Because Queen of Swords is, I think you want to express your true feelings, what you want, what you are thinking, but you are unable to. Because Queen of Swords is challenge. Because Queen of Swords generally, this is very powerful energy. When they want to express, they will express this lady, and when that lady doesn't get what they deserve, definitely they will cut them off anybody. Okay, so you are not in this energy, but you have to because there is in relationship wise or in career or in business some straightforwardness is necessary. Okay, because you have to stand by yourself, you have to choose yourself first, what I'm seeing here. And recent past, definitely someone is approached you, someone is coming back to you, and yeah, you invested your money something. Knight of Pentacles in stable. Definitely you are investing your money in some businesses, and it will getting progress also because the Ten of Pentacles is here. And recent past, Queen of Wands. Yeah, in recent past, Queen of Wands, there you are very passionate about your work, or you are very passionate about your relationship. Yeah, in recent past, you stand by your power. There is a lot of passion, but you are unable to speak what you are thinking because there are some issues while speaking because your challenge is here, Queen of Swords. And the outcome is Four of Swords. Yeah, you are undergoing some healing process, and you are thinking about something a lot but not taking any action right now. Four of Swords. Yeah, in your relationship you are thinking about your person a lot. but not taking any action. But part to the future, definitely there will some communication is going to be happen between you and your person. You will express your feelings. Okay, what is the challenge? You will be overcoming it, because Queen of Swords is unable to express their feelings straightforwardly. Okay, very bluntly what I'm saying. And Ace of Swords is definitely communication, truth coming out here. Definitely will express what you are thinking about something. Okay, definitely, because the outcome is Four of Swords. You are thinking something about a lot. It could be your relationship, it could be your finance and career, whatever. But path to the future card is Ace of Swords. Definitely will express your feelings. Okay, this time for sure. I think communication and expressing feelings is the key for you. And let's see more about you, Aries. Fire energy. Three of Swords. I think, yeah, you're very heartbroken. That's why you're thinking about something a lot. You're right now feeling very sad for something in your life. It could be relationship or could be financial, whatever. Right now you're feeling very, very sad. You're in so much pain. I want clarification card for Three of Swords. Nine of Wands. Knight of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions for someone. Yeah, you are guarded up because Nine of Wands energy. Maybe you are protecting your heart from someone, but they are coming back to you. Knight of Cups energy. Yeah, someone now realizing you both. They are coming back with a offer. So more about the situation. Let's see. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this relationship, or in career wise you are invested your money with involving somebody, collaborations. Okay, you are involved in collaboration, you are investing your money with some other businesses, in some other businesses with somebody. Definitely there is collaboration, partnership in businesses, and there's someone from past is coming back to you to express their feelings. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. For some there will be reconciliation. Okay, so let's see hopes and fears. Lot of cards. Wow, the Sun. Definitely there will be reconciliation, and in financial wise also the Sun is very positive card, major arcana in the deck. Definitely there will be positive in every area of your life. You will get financial stability, you will get reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely there will be upgrade in your relationship. Yeah. So let's see the outcome. So maybe you are having a fear that your person may not come. There will be no reconciliation you are thinking about, but definitely there will be reconciliation, because Three of Pentacles with Knight of Cups and the Sun card. If you are waiting for reconciliation, it is coming. Yeah, Ace of Swords outcome. Definitely Ace of Swords, truth coming out. 2 times Ace of Swords. Definitely some communication. I think communication is the key here. I think you are going to express your true feelings to your person, or they are going to express their true feelings to you. I think communication is the key here all over reading. Because the challenge is also Queen of Swords. Yeah, you learned how to speak, how to express your feelings. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe. Overall message for you. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, there is love. Definitely there is love between both of you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini. The Lovers is here. And Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you will get financial stability. You are very abundant. One person in this connection very abundant. King of Cups under the deck. Definitely they are coming back with a lot of love. They have strong emotions for you. Yeah, I think you are having hard time to express their feelings, but you will overcome. Definitely one person is going to be express their feelings now. Two of Wands, definitely thinking about the situation a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. The Lovers with Nine of Pentacles, definitely will achieving financial stability. Yeah, in past you may be holding back your feelings, but now you want to express your feelings to your person, what I'm seeing here. But maybe your person in past holding back their feelings, but now they're coming back to work on this relationship. Yeah. So yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. Aries. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.